A delegation from the Minister of State Housing and Urban Development, Engineer Abdullahi Tijani Gwarzo, on Monday presented a letter of appreciation to the founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for personally attending the swearing-in ceremony of the minister in Abuja. The letter, which was signed by Special Advisor Admin Mustafa Ahmed Gwadebi on behalf of the minister, expressed appreciation to Professor Gwarzo for taking the pain to physically attend the occasion. The Honorable Minister of State Housing and Urban Development, Engineer Abdullahi Tijani Gwarzo, mandated me to write and extend his appreciation to you for being present during his swearing-in as minister by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on the 21st of August 2023 in Abuja. Your presence at the ceremony is a clear testimony of how you hold me with high esteem and regards, and for the encouragement and support. I assure you I will not let you down, the minister said in a letter. Responding, Professor Gwarzo thanked the minister for the appreciation and prayed to Almighty Allah to guide him in the discharge of his duties. He pledged to give the minister all the necessary support and cooperation so as to enable him succeed. The four-man delegation includes former chairman of Gwarzo Local Government Honorable Sunusi Mahmuda Gezo, Honorable Babali Nafada, Special Advisor to Senator Barau I. Jibrin, Deputy Senate President Alasan Isa, Speaker Gwarzo Local Government Council and Malam Abdul Hakim Kutama.